This is the new GLA, and I bet you will not believe it unless you take a closer look at the SUV. So let's get over that dark silhouette because there is nothing to hide now. GLA looks meaner, much better than the version it replaces. Gone is the hatchback on steroid looks. This is taller, broader, and the length has been shortened a little bit, which means it looks butch than before. And the good thing is GLA looks much like its bigger brother GLC. Don't forget to press that little bell icon before we go ahead with this video. GLA, which is the prime rival of BMW X1, is available in 3 options: 200 petrol, 220D diesel and a 4MATIC version of the diesel as well. Petrol and diesel prices for the GLA are Rs 43 lakh and 45 lakh ex-showroom respectively, while the 4MATIC will set you back by Rs 3 lakh more. We drove both petrol and diesel 4MATIC, and the latter surely looks much superior thanks to the AMG line treatment. The thermopressed grille and the 19-inch AMG line wheels look a rank above the model it replaced. Both front and rear lights look definitive. The boot space is more practical now as the volume has expanded by a few liters. The spare wheel consumes some space, yet 435 liters I think is decent enough for this size of an SUV. The world is new, premium and elegant inside the cabin of the GLA. Mercedes-Benz famed MBUX or Mercedes-Benz user interface has come here, bringing in 10.25-inch HD display. The AMG line GLA 220D 4MATIC gets all black cabin and red stitching accentuates the sportiness. Circular AC vents supplied with ambient lighting offer a revised look to the interior, but at the same time can be a cause of distraction at night. The normal GLA 200 petrol for me looks more spacious thanks to the lighter theme inside the cabin in portwood touches in the central console. Things like a bigger sunroof, wireless charging and automatic AC lifts the mood on the go.
Last week I drove the Mercedes-Benz GLA 220D. The diesel unit is punchy, it's highly efficient and it is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. In fact, this is the same engine that powers several other Mercedes-Benz cars in India. This is the petrol unit. The petrol gets a front wheel drive, but with the diesel you have both the options, front wheel and a 4x4. This one is a brand new 163 horsepower 1.3 liter turbo petrol engine, which has been developed by Mercedes in association with Nissan and Renault. Well, yes, this is the same engine that powers the new Renault Duster and the Nissan Kicks in slightly lower state of tune. This engine is mated to a 7-speed DCT gearbox. And in fact, this is the same engine you also get in the A-Class limousine.
A lot of you will question the potency of 1.3 liter turbocharged unit, and I understand why. But you know what? Not looking at the cubic capacity for once, this new petrol engine is sharp, practical, and for most parts, frugal. Now all of this mean the GLA 200 petrol could be that ideal city car which has the poke from the engine and yet good enough to plant a smile when the petrol prices are breaking records and households. I concede it is not the most fun to drive engines around, and let it be. An AMG GLA 35 is there to fuel your passion of driving. Handling is decent, yet there is a bit of torque steer in the front wheel drive petrol. In that regard, the GLA 220D, which gets a 4MATIC system, is more planted and confident around the corners. The ride quality has also improved to an extent. The suspension is supple, absorbs bumps comfortably without transferring much to the cabin.
There have been a plethora of changes that have been already told to you, but hear out the safety aspect as well. Now the GLA gets 7 airbags, 1 plus from the last generation. It gets active brake assist. And you know, this car has scored 5 stars in Euro NCAP crash test. Along with this, you continue to have safety features like ESP, you have reverse parking camera, sensors, and all those are still there.
For GLA, my pick is diesel over the petrol. Features have gone to the next level. It looks much better than before. Also, the safety equipment has been enhanced. But you know, the ace of the pack is the warranty on the engine and transmission. Mercedes is offering 8 years comprehensive warranty on the engine plus transmission, which speaks volumes about the kind of confidence it has on this. What do you think? Let me know. But since you have seen all this, I believe you're waiting for BMW X1 versus GLA, which I hope to bring to you very soon.